Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update. And Cardano, as usual, it's a little bit slow, really boring, but you can see it's not in a bad position. And as a matter of fact, we started Monday and we're heading into Tuesday tomorrow, so I'm expecting a green day tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursdays, and we still have our technical targets all the way up here to the 5928. Nothing is still invalidated. Still looks like a good entry to me, and you still have 4780 as your stop loss, and you're going to see this thing probably. I'm really confident that it's going to move to the upside, hopefully down the road, right? So keep an eye on this one. The same story goes as before. I'm going to keep it very short, sweet and simple so that we don't get confused. It's a very simple update. This is the place you don't want to lose. Simple, okay? And as far as I look at things, the trend line is being respected and there's nothing wrong about it, okay? You had resistance here, resistance there, you broke it out, came down, you're holding the retest. That's exactly what you want to see to continue to the upside, and that's your technical target, 5906. Once you reach there, we're going to talk about what happens next. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.